Welcome. Today we're going to learn how to create a group chat on Discord. Whether you want to discuss gaming strategies, plan a movie night, or just catch up with friends, setting up a group chat is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, launch the Discord app on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, make sure to grab it from your app store. Once you have the app open, you'll see the main interface where all your channels and messages are displayed. Next, look for the Friends icon at the bottom right of the screen. This icon usually looks like two silhouettes and will take you to your friends list. Tap on that icon to proceed. Once you're in your friends list, you'll see an option that says New Group. Go ahead and tap that option to start creating your group chat. This is where the fun begins. Now, it's time to select your friends. You'll see a list of your Discord friends, and you can choose the ones you want to add to your group chat by tapping on their names. Select as many friends as you'd like to include, and don't worry, you can always add more later if you wish. Finally, once you've selected your friends, look for the Create button at the top right corner of the screen. Tap that, and just like that, your new group chat is ready to go. To recap, launch the Discord app, tap the Friends icon, select New Group, choose your friends, and tap Create. It's really that simple. Now you can enjoy chatting with your group, sharing memes, or planning your next game night together. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks.